Hey, beautiful people, greetings to you everywhere you are. My name is Her Excellency. This is my YouTube channel. This morning, the weather is changing in Canada, so I'm feeling a bit like I'm having cold. So I have this recipe. The last time when I had cold, I used it and it was very helpful. So if you're joining today, please stay tuned, don't go anywhere. But remember to subscribe and share to your friends so we can all learn this amazing and short and quick recipe that can help you to heal your cold. So stay with me. Let's go. So with this, all we need is ginger. One big fat ginger. We need ginger. Then we need 2 lime. 2 lime. We need ginger, 2 lime. And we're just gonna wash our lime. And then we wash our ginger as well. So let's leave this lime here. And then we will start to peel the ginger we have. This is how I peel my ginger. And you just back off the knife. Yes. Because sometimes it's a bit dirty, but if you like, you don't have to really peel everything off, right? Just peel all the dirty part from it. Yes, and it's not bad. My ginger look clean now. I wash it. I make sure I peel all the dirty part on this. So the ginger is ready to be used. Yes. So I just get my blender here. Like I said, this is very quick. Only the chopper. Yes, we go. We cut it into pieces, so it's easy to blend. So, you see, it's all clean and ready to go. Yes. So right now I'm just gonna add a bit of water, just a little bit of water, because I want it to be able to blend properly. Yes. I'm gonna show you. Ready. Awesome. So now we have our ginger blend clean like that. So the next thing, we're gonna boil water. If you have kettle at home, you can use it. Any kettle. We're gonna summarize. This is what I'm getting. Yes. So I'm just gonna boil some water here. And we're gonna wait till it boils. So whilst we're waiting for our boiled water, I'm gonna use this. See a lot of the ginger we got here. Make sure put everything. Add in a bit of water. See, we have all our ginger here. Ha 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 ha. Beautiful. So we are here. This is the lime. The lime that we're going to use. We're going to cut the lime as well. Because now that is the fun part we have to do. The water is nice and beautiful boiled. You just leave that waiting. Right now we're gonna squeeze this lime here. Squeeze the lime. Bring all the water in the lime. We're using everything. Beautiful lime we have. Clear. So we're almost done. Now this is all the ginger I got. Gotta put your ginger here nicely. I'm gonna add this, all the lime. And I'm gonna add some of this water because I want to drink it nice and warm. That is how. See? Beautiful. So here, I just cover it. Stir it. That's nice. Good. See, at this point, you're done. Ready to drink. Beautiful done. Nice and warm. And this is gonna heal your cold. Trust me, you're gonna come and say thank you. Once you're watching, let me know where you're watching me from in the comment section. Remember to subscribe. My name once again is Her Excellency. Thank you so much for always being here and supportive. Thanks for subscribing to my channel. I appreciate you guys. Let's enjoy our warm lime and ginger. After After drinking this, I've been feeling so much better. Come on, guys. Go to my YouTube channel, go watch, and make your own ginger and lime recipe if you're having cold at home or your loved ones are having cold at home. Don't forget to subscribe. I'm here always to give you all the gist. Yeah. I'm feeling good. It's good to drink warm ginger and lime in the morning. Once you make this, you can choose to add sugar or you can drink it like that and you're gonna be fine. This is nice warm ginger. Guys, don't miss a thing on my channel.